Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, it's the 22nd of December 2021 and it's time to select two winners the Amazon gift card in celebration of the 1,000 subscribers to this channel. So if you're ready, keep your fingers crossed and let's go over to the wheel of names and select those winners. I've opened the wheel of names and I'm ready now to paste in all the names of the people who entered on my Word document. And as you can see, there are a total of 17 entries. These are all the people who left a comment under the giveaway video. And before I spin the wheel, I'm going to shuffle these. And then we'll go to the full screen. You can see all the names that have been entered here. And before I choose the first winner, I'd like to say thank you once again to everyone who entered this giveaway and for supporting me and helping me to achieve this 1,000 subscriber milestone. So, good luck to you all. Fingers crossed. I'm going to close my eyes until the name appears. So, let's get going. Here we go. Winner number 1. Congratulations, Catherine Holt. So I'm going to make a note of that now. Catherine, congratulations, Catherine. And now I'm going to remove Catherine from the list. And we'll make a second and final spin for our next winner. Again, good luck, everyone. I'm closing my eyes now. Congratulations, Greta. You are the winner of the Amazon gift card. Congratulations, Retta. So, there we have it. I really wish that each and every one of you could have been a winner like Catherine and Retta. But I do have a little something for each and every one of you, and those are the downloads, which I'm going to have links for in the description box below. One is for the card making kit that is available in JPEG and as a PDF. And I also have a bundle for scan and cut users of files that have been designed and formatted in the Brothers scan and cut format, the FCM file. So those are available to you. They will be through Dropbox, but if you have any problems downloading them, please you can leave me a comment below, or you can email me at craftyfriendstogether@gmail.com. Please keep in mind that the digital files for both the scan and cut files as well as the JPEG files are in a zip folder, so that you'll need to extract those first. So don't forget that. And remember, these digital downloads are available to anyone who would like to have them. So if you want to tell your friends about that, please feel free to. They can just go to the description box and click on the download link. Now, at some point, I will probably be deleting this video, in which case the files will no longer be available. But I don't intend to do that for quite a while yet, so please feel free to share this information with others. Also, I will need both Catherine and Retta to contact me by email, and they need to contact me at the craftyfriendstogether@gmail.com address. I'll put that in the description, and it's also available in my About section. I'll need your email address that you associate with your Amazon account, as well as the country that you're living in, because I have to issue the card in that country's website, or the Amazon website that is associated with whatever country you live in. So all I'm going to need is your YouTube name, the email address that you want it sent to, so that it is associated with your Amazon account, and also the country that you live in. I will not be retaining any of that information that I receive from you after I've verified that you have received your gift card. I will then be deleting all that information from my account. That's going to wrap it up for this 1,000 subscribers giveaway. As I said, I wish every one of you could have been a winner, but in my eyes, you already are, because you support my channel, and I appreciate you very much indeed. I'm looking forward to sharing more of this crafting journey with you. I hope that you have a very happy, peaceful, and safe holiday. And until I see you again, please stay safe and crafty hugs. Bye. Happy Christmas.